So hey students, welcome to Vedantu NCERT Solutions, where we find solutions to all the problems which is given in your NCERT to make sure you are exam ready. This is Basavaraj, I'm your biology math teacher. Now, let me help you with a question. Let me help you with a question from your biology chapter, Human Reproduction. Let's read the question. The question says, draw a labeled diagram of sperm. Now, I have a diagram for you. Let's quickly look at the diagram and I'll help you to explain the diagram and I'll show you the functions of each part. Okay. So if you look at the sperm structure, right, the structure of the sperm, actually this structure is microscopic. It is a microscopic structure. It's a microscopic structure, but it is again divided. If you look closely at the diagram here, the division is mainly into four types. That is your head region. Let me change the color. Let me quickly change the color. What is happening? 1 second. Let me change the color. I think red is better. Yeah. So when we have head region, the first part, then we have the neck region, then we have the middle piece, and then we finally have the tail region. So head region, neck piece, middle piece, and tail region. Now look closely at the outer structure, the complete envelope of the sperm. If you look closely, the envelope which I'm talking about here is the plasma membrane. The plasma membrane completely envelopes the sperm. Now, let's look at the head region. What exactly is present in the head region? In the head region, if you look closely enough, there is a presence of elongated haploid nucleus. In the head region, you can find haploid nucleus, which has what? Which has the chromosomal material. So in the sperm, the head region is the most important part because it contains the genetic material. It contains the genetic material which needs to get transferred during fertilization. Clear? Now, if you look at the anterior portion, of the head region, you have a cap-like structure. You have a cap-like structure known as acrosomes. Acrosome is a cap-like structure which is present towards the anterior portion of the sperm. What is the function? The function here is these acrosomes has numerous enzymes, so many different type of enzymes which help in fertilization of the ovum. Now, a question for you. Anyone in the chat later on, I'll check it. Anyone in the chat who can tell me what is the name of the enzyme? What are the different types of the enzymes? What are the different names of the enzymes which are present in the acrosome? Let's see who can tell it. Now, let's look at the neck piece. The neck is the connection between your head as well as middle piece. Neck is the connection between head as well as your middle piece. If you look at the middle piece, it is composed of many mitochondria. Exactly. Many mitochondria are present in the middle piece, which will provide. What does mitochondria do? We know mitochondria is energy house, right? It's the powerhouse of the cell. Exactly. Provides power here. It provides energy, right? Energy source for swimming. Why swimming? Because once it goes to the vaginal tract, right, when the sperms are released, it needs to move. It needs to move in the vaginal tract. So energy is given by your middle piece. But do you know, once the sperm is reached into the cervix, in the female reproductive tract, just the mitochondria is not enough. In fact, the sperms will undergo a separate process called as capacitation. Let me know in the comment section if you want to know what is capacitation. I'll make a separate video on what is capacitation, or if you want to know now itself, go on Vedantu NEET English, where I have made a separate video on what is capacitation. You can learn from there. So capacitation is nothing but activation of the sperm, right? Then you have finally the tail portion, which helps in the mobility, like a flagella in a bacteria. Bacteria has flagella for motility. Similarly, you have the tail region which provides the motility to the sperm. There it is, the structure of the sperm completely decoded for you. So if you like the content, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you do not want to miss any of the content which is on this channel, beautiful channel, Vedantu NCERT Solutions for class 11th and 12th, where Basavaraj, I'll be solving all the questions related to your biology. Hopefully you like the content, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Until next time.